Here's my thoughts for today, number 5. Happiness is not in the future or the past, but right in front of you. Today, embrace the beauty of the present moment. Life's most precious moments are often found in the simplest of things, like a smile, a shared laugh, and a warm hug. Take a deep breath, let go of worries, and savor the joy here and now. In this 1 minute thoughts for today, remember that happiness is not in the future or the past, but right in front of you. Make today a masterpiece of moments and gratitude. Carve out time for what truly matters and appreciate the journey as much as the destination. Today is a gift, that's why it's called the present. Seize it with a heart full of love and a soul full of purpose. That's all. Bye.